Torin, what do you have? Is that yarn? You're not a kitty cat. You're not a kitty cat. Only kitty cats play with yarn ball. Huh? What you got? Torin. What'd you do with that yarn ball? This is Torin having an identity crisis, mistaking himself for a cat. T, what'd you do to Mommy's yarn? Torin.